Hello class, today I'm going to give you your homework instructions. So if you get your homework pages out and open to page 113 in your textbook, it has to do with contractions. And I've included a sheet in Blackboard. It's right under your homework sheet and it says contraction sheet. So there's an optional way of writing the contractions in one stroke. Some of the older books have the 2 strokes. If you have a new book, it has the 1 stroke already in there. So there's 2 ways of writing them. I recommend learning the 1 stroke, okay? So that handout will be in Blackboard right under your homework sheet. So you're gonna read about positive contractions. Page 114, you're going to write the word groups 3 times perfect. Okay, so you're gonna write the I'd, you're going to write it 3 times perfect. And so it says use optional brief phrase or written out form for both columns. So I would just write out the contraction, okay? I'd, okay? So I just want you to write the contraction. Let me see. So this is what it means, is if you want to write it in 1 stroke, I'd, the contraction, you can write I come back long ED, or you can write, the opposite would be ILD for I'd. No, that's, I would say. So you all, what I want you to do is just write the contraction with 1 stroke, okay? So you're just going to write the contraction and the outline. So like I'd, you're going to write I come back long ED. I come back long ED. Sorry, I come back long ED. Think of the long E as the contraction, okay? So you're just going to write it 3 times perfect, the group. So I'd through they'd 3 times perfect. Check your work, okay? Don't worry about the word group, the optional phrase, and the written out form. Just write the contraction and the outline, the way you're gonna write it. I'd through they'd, I'll through who'll, I'm by itself, I've through they'd, we're through their, and then he's through let's, okay? 3 times perfect. And then page 115, sorry about that. 20-1, twice perfect each sentence. So number 1, you're going to write the new car's seats are blue. And so the notes are over on page 116 and 117. Okay, so that you know how to write the sentences. Make sure that you look at the notes, okay, so you know how to write the sentences. And remember, if you like something that in 1 stroke from the outline that I'm going to have in Blackboard, then write the contraction in 1 stroke. You just have to write it down on your sheet how you want it written out in 1 stroke, okay? So because all of these in your book on page 114, the older books have it as 2 strokes. Remember, you're just going to write the contraction and the outline, okay? So you want to write it in 1 stroke, and that outline will be in your Blackboard, okay? So take your time and let me know if you have any questions, you all. Have a great day.